In the fast-paced world of cryptocurrency trading, opportunities for substantial gains abound, particularly in the realm of alternative cryptocurrencies or altcoins. Renowned analysts like CryptoBusy have drawn attention to the potential for altcoins to experience remarkable growth, with a tantalizing prospect of values multiplying by up to 1,000 times. This analysis is not mere speculation, but rooted in historical trends and market dynamics, where fluctuations in Bitcoin's dominance often correspond with increase in altcoin values. Historical trends and market dynamics. The ups and downs of Bitcoin's reign in the crypto world often signal exciting times for alternative coins, aka altcoins. When Bitcoin's value shoots up, it's like a green light for altcoins to follow suit, giving smart investors a chance to diversify their portfolios and make some serious gains. In past bull runs, altcoins have seen massive spikes in value, especially when Bitcoin's dominance hovered between 38 and 48%. That's like the sweet spot where the altcoin market goes into overdrive, paving the way for some jaw-dropping growth potential. So keep an eye on Bitcoin's moves. They could be the key to unlocking some serious altcoin action. Navigating market volatility and seizing opportunities. In the wild world of crypto, things can get pretty wild pretty fast. That's why having a solid game plan is crucial. When the market takes a nosedive, it's not time to panic. It's time to get strategic. You see, when the market's down, that's when the real opportunities emerge. Sniffing out those hidden gems, the undervalued altcoins, could be your ticket to cashing in big when the market bounces back. It's like finding buried treasure. You gotta dig a little deeper, but the payoff can be massive. This approach isn't some newfangled trick. It's an age-old strategy that savvy investors have been using for years. It's all about buying low and selling high, plain and simple. So if you're thinking long-term and looking to make some serious gains, keeping an eye out for those undervalued altcoins could be your golden ticket. After all, in the world of crypto, fortune favors the bold. Adapting to the evolving crypto landscape. Bitcoin, the big dog in the cryptocurrency world, it's like the heavyweight champ of the ring. But here's the thing, its moves aren't just affecting its opponents, they're shaking up the whole arena. That's where CryptoBusy's insights come in. They're like the ringside commentators, giving us the lowdown on what's happening in the crypto world. And guess what? They're saying that altcoins, those smaller, more agile fighters, could be the ones to watch. Sure, the idea of scoring 1,000 times gains might sound like a stretch, but hey, stranger things have happened in this crazy world of crypto. Just look at the history books. Altcoins have a track record of surprising us when we least expect it. So don't count them out just yet. They might just be the underdogs poised to take the spotlight and lead the charge in the next big market boom. Keep your eyes peeled, folks. The crypto game is always full of surprises. Identifying promising altcoins. With more people than ever flocking to crypto, it's like the Wild West out there. Altcoins, the underdogs of the crypto world, are having their moment in the spotlight, promising sky-high returns for those in the know. But hold your horses. Not every altcoin is worth your hard-earned cash. You've got to sift through the noise and separate the winners from the losers. It's like trying to find a needle in a haystack. But trust me, the payoff can be worth it. So how do you separate the wheat from the chaff? Well, first things first, do your homework. Research the heck out of any altcoin you're considering investing in. What's the team behind it like? What problem does it solve? Is there a real-world use case, or is it just another flashy project with no substance? These are the questions you need answers to before you even think about hitting that buy button. Next up, beware of the hype. With influencers and YouTubers shilling coins left and right, it's easy to get caught up in the excitement. But remember, not everyone has your best interests at heart. Some influencers are just out to make a quick buck, and they'll pump up any coin that pays them enough. So take their advice with a grain of salt and always do your own research. And finally, diversify, diversify, diversify. Don't put all your eggs in one basket, as they say. Spread your investments across a range of altcoins to minimize your risk and maximize your potential gains. Sure, it may take a bit more work, but trust me, your future self will thank you for it. Analyzing influencer impact and market sentiment. Alright, let's dive into the world of crypto influencers. They're like the rock stars of the crypto scene, right? Some of them really know their stuff and can offer some solid advice. But here's a catch. Not all influencers are looking out for your best interests. Some might be in it just to line their own pockets, pushing certain projects to make a quick buck. And watch out for those shady characters running pump and dump schemes, leaving investors high and dry. That's why it's crucial to do your own research before blindly following an influencer's recommendations. Don't just take their word for it. Roll up your sleeves, do some digging, and make sure you're making informed decisions. Your money's on the line, so it pays to be cautious. So the next time an influencer starts hyping up the latest crypto craze, take a step back, do your due diligence, and make sure you're not getting caught up in the hype. Your wallet will thank you for it. Now, before we move further, feel free to drop a comment below with your thoughts and questions. Your feedback is invaluable to us. Case studies and investment strategies. Let's see some real-life examples of altcoin surges triggered by influencers like Alex Becker and Elio Trades. These cases really show the highs and lows of following influencer advice. Sure, some folks made a killing by jumping on board with their recommendations, but for others, it didn't turn out so well. Why? Well, because they might have skipped doing their homework or didn't have a clear plan for when to cash out. It's like riding a roller coaster without knowing when it's going to stop. You might enjoy the thrill at first, but it could end up leaving you feeling queasy. So the takeaway here is to take influencer advice with a grain of salt. Do your own research and always have an exit plan in place. That way, you'll be better prepared to navigate the ups and downs of the crypto market. Strategic investment approaches. To truly capitalize on those potential 1,000 times returns in altcoins, you've got to approach it strategically. Picture yourself as a detective in the thrilling world of crypto, always on the lookout for hidden gems, staying tuned to the latest buzz, and knowing precisely when to make your move. However, it's not just about luck, it's about making informed decisions. One essential strategy is diversification, spreading your investments across various altcoins. This mitigates the risk of putting all your eggs in one basket and cushions the blow if one coin doesn't quite reach the heights you anticipated. Think of it like assembling a fantasy sports team. You want a diverse roster to cover all your bases and maximize your chances of success. So dive deep into your research. Understand the fundamentals of each altcoin, analyze market trends, and keep an eye on emerging narratives. Stay agile and adaptable in the ever-changing crypto landscape. Remember, it's not just about taking risks, it's about taking calculated risks. In conclusion, the cryptocurrency market offers a wealth of opportunities for investors willing to navigate its dynamic landscape. With the potential for 10,000x returns in altcoins, strategic investment approaches and thorough research are essential to capitalize on these opportunities. However, it's crucial to remain cautious amidst market volatility and influencer-driven hype. By exercising diligence and strategic planning, investors can position themselves for success in the altcoin market. If you found this video informative and helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on cryptocurrency investing. And be sure to stay tuned for our next video, where we'll dive deeper into strategies for navigating the ever-changing crypto market. Thanks for watching and happy investing!